Hello, my name is Peter from First Maths. Today we will be adding several small numbers together and learning different strategies. The resources you need for this lesson will be a 0 to 30 number line, sheets of plain paper for each child, 4 0 to 9 dice, 0 to 9 number cards, a number fan for each child. Our mental learning objective today will be I can show instant recall of my number bonds up to 20. The mental learning task for today is this. We're going to practice our number bonds for 15. I'm going to give you a number. Use your number fans to show the number I need to make it 15. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? The number 10 plus what makes 15? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 5. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? 7 plus what makes 15? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 8. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? 11 plus what? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 4. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? 3 plus what makes 15? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 12. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? 8 plus what makes 15? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 7. What do I need to add to this number to make it equal 15? 1 plus what makes 15? 3, 2, 1, show me! The answer was 14. Our mental learning objective. I can show instant recall of my number bonds up to 20. The main learning objective now. I can look for pairs or trios which make 10. When I add, I start with the largest number. I look for doubles. You can add efficiently by looking for pairs or trios which add up to 10. Start with the largest number and look for doubles. That is the key idea of today's lesson. This is the main learning task. Today the class is going to learn a useful trick to help when adding several small numbers together. Could 4 or 5 children suggest a single digit number and write these in the box on the board? Pause the video until you have written the numbers. Spend a few minutes adding those numbers in your head. What number can you make? Pause the video. I won't ask for the answer. I will ask you how you did it. Did you look for pairs or trios, threes that add up to 10? Pause the video and tell your teacher. It helps make adding easy. Look again at the numbers. Do any add up to 10? Pause the video and tell your teacher. To help you add more, cross out the numbers you have already used. Write the answers at the bottom of the box as to which ones you have already used to add together. Pause the video if you need to. Now add the tens and any spare numbers together. Pause the video if you need to. We're now going to play a game of Lotto. Make sure you have each got a piece of A4 paper. Fold your piece of paper in half. Fold in half again. And fold in half again. Unfold it. You now have 8 squares on a piece of paper. Fill in each box with a number less than 36. These 8 numbers are your Lotto numbers. So there is your box with 8 squares. Your teacher will throw 4 0 to 9 dice. Read out the numbers and record them in the table below. So pause the video while you play the game. You now have to add up the 4 numbers. When a total matches one of your Lotto numbers, you can cross it on your piece of paper. Don't forget to look for ways to add to 10. The winner is the first to cross out all of his or her numbers. Don't forget to look for doubles. Remember to start with the largest number and add on the smaller numbers. This was the main learning objective. I can look for pairs or trios which make 10. When I add, I start with the largest number. I look for doubles. Here is the plenary. We shall finish with the chain calculation game. Your teacher will shuffle a set of 0 to 9 cards. They will turn it over one by one. Add together the 5 numbers they tell you, so you can pause the video and play the game. After the 5 numbers, tell the person next to you the final answer. How did you find the activity? Pause the video and tell your teacher and the class. Review of your key idea. You can add several small numbers efficiently by looking for pairs or trios which add to 10. Start with the largest number. Look for doubles. Did you learn that this lesson? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know when I'm uploading my next video. By clicking the notification bell, you will be automatically told every time I upload a new maths lesson, maths game, maths quiz, or other resources. Don't forget to also click the like button if you liked this video, so that I know you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye. Have a great day.